Welcome to the attic workshop. Just making a small update here on what I am doing. I have been out to buy some slabs and I got the place that I got them from to actually cut this slab in two so I could get it in my car. My car's not that big, so I wouldn't have got these two slabs in. Just show you them quickly. There they are. Okay, there's the slabs. This will be my coffee table, and this piece will be one of the upright legs. So that's what I've been doing. I've just removed all the live edging from both the slabs. I'm going to let these dry out a bit. I have given them a plane just to see what they come up like. This is incredibly smooth after planing. No doubt it will move again now as it begins to lose its moisture. I don't know how much moisture it's got in it because I don't have one of those meters, so I've got no idea how much. Excuse me, I'll just put you back into a better place. I've got no idea how much actually is in this wood. I'm just going to gauge it and see what happens. I'm going to put a plane over the big slab because this is cut so smooth it can't harm it, and it just helps me start from a smoother finish when I do get around to doing it. Where I'm going to store this, I don't know. That's my next problem, to actually work out where I'm actually going to lay this flat. It might go back down in the bedroom underneath the bed because I've got no room up here. So we'll wait and see. Anyway, that's what I'm working on. This will take a while. I've started the process and we'll see where we go from there. Thanks for joining me. I've got myself a meter to measure the moisture content of this wood that I've got, because I've got no idea how it is. Now, what I want to do is, first of all, I've got a piece of oak here that I bought from the same place quite a while ago, and I've got this wood from a recycling shop. Now this piece of oak, an oak setting on this is 2, and that piece is around 12% in the middle, and on the end, strangely enough, 14%. Now, a piece of wood bought from the local box store that's been up here for I don't know how long, in the middle, 11%. On the end, 11, well, it went up to 12%. So that seems to be about the average for wood in my loft. This is starting off at 21% in the middle, and on the end 24%. Just let you see me doing that. So on the end, 22%, in the middle 21%. Yeah, rough guide there. On the big slab, 22%, 22%. So taking their average of 10-11%, I reckon I've got about 10% to lose on these particular boards before they are ready. Now I have noticed that the boards are already beginning to cup. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I'll hold it up, see if you can see it. There you go, look. Already beginning to cup. There you go. That way. And both boards are doing that. They're both beginning to cup. This is not producing, well, it has, it's produced a very small split at the end here. Not sure if I should protect the ends, no idea. The bigger board, I'll let you see if you can see it from a distance, but it's already produced a large crack of a good 8 inches. But I can use, when I come to build the table, I can always use bow ties. So by the time these have actually got rid of all their moisture, ready to start work on, and I said, taking the average, I've got about 10% to lose. And I don't know what they were when they arrived in the loft a week ago. Now at the moment we're in spring weather, so this loft space up here is quite cool and dry. It's not overheated, but if this takes a long time to dry, I will have to move them, because this space will get unbearably warm, and I think that will dry them too quickly. So I will need to sort of store them in a cool, dry place, perhaps later on this month, or beginning of the next month, if it starts to warm up in our country. But we'll see. So 1 metre to help me with finding out the values. Already got a nice big piece of wood that is warped. Great. So that's going to take a lot of planing to get it back to square again. But never mind. We'll see how it goes. No idea whether I should protect the ends or not. If anybody's got any comments on that, let us know. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.